بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
وعن أبي حمزة أنس بن مالك الأنصاري خادم رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم رضي الله عنه قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: لله أفرح بتوبة عبده من أحدكم سقط على بعيره وقد أضله في أرض فلاك، متفق عليه. وفي رواية لمسلم: لله أشد فرحا بتوبة عبده حين يتوب ليه من أحدكم كان على راحلته بأرض فلات فانفلتت منه وعليها طعامه وشرابه فأيس منها فأتى شجرة فاضطجع في ظلها وقد أيس من راحلته، فبينما هو كذلك إذ هو بها قائمة عنده فأخذ بخطامها ثم قال من شدة الفرح: اللهم أنت عبدي وأنا ربك. أخطأ من شدة الفرح.
Anas ibn Malik, servant of the Holy Prophet, said, Allah is more pleased with the repentance of a servant of his than would be one of you who were to lose his camel in a barren desert and then find it suddenly. The version in Muslim adds, Allah is more pleased with the repentance of a servant of his than would be one of you who were to lose his riding camel, which carries his food and drink, in a barren desert, and losing all hope of finding it he were to lie down in the shade of a tree, and then should suddenly find it standing near him and should seize its nose string and in his excess of joy should blurt out, O Allah, thou art my servant and I am thy Lord.
وعن أبي سعيد سعد بن مالك بن سنان الخدري رضي الله عنه أن نبي الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: كان في من كان قبلكم رجل قتل 99 نفسا فسأل عن أعلم أهل الأرض فدل على راهب فأتاه فقال: إنه قتل 99 نفسا فهل له من توبة؟ فقال: لا، فقتله فكمل به 100 ثم سأل عن أعلم أهل الأرض فدل على رجل عالم فقال: إنها قتل 100 نفس فهل له من توبة؟ فقال: نعم، ومن يحول بينه وبين التوبة؟ انطلق إلى أرض كذا وكذا فإن بها أناسا يعبدون الله تعالى فاعبد الله معهم، ولا ترجع إلى أرضك فإنها أرض سوء. فانطلق حتى إذا نصف الطريق أتاه الموت فاختصمت فيه ملائكة الرحمة وملائكة العذاب. فقالت ملائكة الرحمة: جاء تائبا مقبلا بقلبه إلى الله تعالى. وقالت ملائكة العذاب: إنه لم يعمل خيرا قط. فأتاهم ملك في صورة آدمي فجعلوه بينهم أي حكما شرطة فقال: قيسوا ما بين الأرضين فإلى أيتهما كان أدنى فهو له. فقسوا فوجدوه أدنى إلى الأرض التي أراد فقبضته ملائكة الرحمة. وفي رواية في الصحيح: فكان إلى القرية الصالحة أقرب بشبر فجعل من أهلها. وفي رواية في الصحيح: فأوحى الله تعالى إلى هذه أن تباعدي وإلى هذه أن تقربي وقال: قيسوا ما بينهما فوجدوه إلى هذه أقرب بشبر فغفر له. وفي رواية: فنأى بصدره نحوها.
Abu Sa'id Khudri relates that the Holy Prophet said, "An individual from among a people before you having killed as many as 99 persons inquired who was the most learned person on earth. He was directed to a monk. He went to the monk and said, 'I have killed 99 persons. Is there any chance of repentance left for me?' The monk answered, 'No.' Forthwith he dispatched the monk also and completed a full century of victims. Then he inquired again, 'Who is the most learned person on earth?' And was directed to a savant, to whom he said, 'I have killed 100 persons. Is there a chance of repentance left for me?' The savant said, 'Yes.' 'What can stand between you and repentance?' 'Proceed to such and such a land. In it there are people who worship God. Join them in the worship of God and do not return to thine own land, for it is an evil place.' So he set out. He had traversed only half the distance when he was overtaken by death, and a contention arose over him between the angels of mercy and the angels of torment. The angels of mercy pleaded that he had come a penitent turning towards God, and the angels of torment contended that he had never done a good deed. Then there arrived an angel in human form, and the contending angels agreed that he should be the arbiter between them. He directed them, 'Measure the distance between the two lands. To whichever he is closer to that he belongs.' So they carried out the measurement, and he was found to be closer to the land whither he was bound. The angels of mercy thus took charge of him. One version has it that he was found to be closer to the land of the righteous by the width of a hand and was thus accounted one of them. Another version is that God directed the space on one side to expand and the space on the other to shrink, and then said, 'Now carry out the measurement.' It was found that he was nearer to his goal by the width of a hand and was forgiven. It is also related that he came closer by crawling on his chest.